Welcome to Automania, your ultimate destination powered by CarCrest, where we bring you the latest updates, expert reviews, and in-depth insights into everything automotive. Today we're diving into the much-anticipated electriccycle 2025, a futuristic blend of eco-friendly engineering and urban mobility innovation that's turning heads in the electric two-wheeler segment. The electriccycle 2025 is designed to meet the evolving needs of city riders who crave both style and substance in their daily commute. This model comes packed with impressive features that make it stand out in the competitive e-bike market. One of the first things you'll notice is its sleek and aerodynamic design. With a lightweight aluminum frame, it manages to offer both durability and ease of handling. The clean lines and modern aesthetics give it a distinctive futuristic look while keeping functionality in mind. Under the hood, or rather under the frame, the electriccycle 2025 boasts a high-performance brushless DC motor capable of delivering swift acceleration without any jerky movement. With a peak power output of around 1.5 kilowatts and a top speed nearing 60 kilometers per hour, it offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Whether you're navigating narrow lanes or cruising on wider roads, the motor performance holds steady, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. The battery system is one of the key highlights of this model. Featuring a removable lithium-ion battery pack rated at 48 volts and 30 Ah, the cycle delivers a real-world range of approximately 80 to 100 kilometers on a single charge. Charging is also convenient with a standard home socket setup, taking about 4 to 5 hours for a full top-up. For daily commuters, this means lesser charging breaks and more time on the move. When it comes to ride comfort, the electriccycle 2025 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with front telescopic forks and a rear dual-spring suspension system that absorbs shocks efficiently. Whether you're gliding over potholes or riding on bumpy city streets, the suspension setup offers a cushioned experience. The ergonomics have also been refined with a wider seat and adjustable handlebar that accommodate a range of rider heights, ensuring a comfortable posture over longer durations. The digital dashboard offers a clear display with essential information like speed, battery percentage, trip meter, and real-time range estimation. It's backlit and easy to read even in bright sunlight, adding to the user-friendly interface. There's also Bluetooth connectivity for app integration, which allows riders to track their ride history, lock the cycle remotely, and even receive maintenance alerts. Safety has been a focus area in this year's model. The electriccycle 2025 includes regenerative braking through its dual-disc brake setup, enhancing stopping power while also helping recharge the battery slightly during deceleration. Integrated LED lights at the front and rear, including turn indicators, ensure visibility during night rides or low-light conditions. There's also a theft deterrent alarm system built in to provide added peace of mind when parking in public areas. In terms of storage, the cycle offers a small under-seat compartment along with an optional rear luggage carrier that can hold essential items or small bags. It's a thoughtful touch for those who use the cycle for errands or short trips around the city. All in all, the electriccycle 2025 is a well-rounded offering that brings together sustainability, smart tech, and everyday usability in a compact and stylish package. If you're someone looking for an electric cycle that blends performance with practicality, this one deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching and for being part of the Automania community. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for more honest reviews, specs breakdowns, and the latest updates from the world of electric mobility.